truly blessed every year to be able to hunt on some First Nation land. It's a short film showing our season. And the season begins. Chasing big bucks. Boom, baby. What a crazy season. Big bucks and big snowstorms. This year, a couple of legends hit the dirt. After a few cancellations, a couple of friends got together and we hunted on November to remember. Hunt for protein, baby. Boom. This was a crazy year of big bucks and big storms. A legend named Super 10 finally hit the dirt. This buck was hunted by many hunters. Just one of a kind. Super 10 was just one crazy Saskatchewan whitetail. A true legend in himself. The 23 and a half inside spread, what a legend. This year we're hunting a couple of friends together, and that's what makes it so fun. Laughing in the blind, making memories. That's some priceless times together. It's not always how big the buck is, but the memories that last forever. Alright guys, we're back at it again. Chasing a couple of new bucks, one called Nightcrawler, a heavy 10-point, crab calls. See what happens, boys, man. Boom, baby. This buck, we saw him in 2020, a 4.5-year-old with great potential. In 2021, we gave him a pass. And in 2022, he seemed to grow a lot of mass. We're going to check him out this year. There was the reason why he was called Nightcrawler. He mostly traveled at night. We tried to set up between a pinch point and a transition zone. Alright guys, we're back. Day 5. We're chasing a buck here called Brownstein. A new spot. See what happens. Boom, baby. Brownstein, another legend in himself. Just seen Brownstein. 177 yards. I couldn't get a clear shot. Still waiting. After making a grunt call, he started coming down the mountain. But I decided that we'll meet another day and enjoy the moment. What a true Saskatchewan giant. Until we meet again, my friend. Alright guys, back at it again. Day 9. Still chasing monsters. We'll see what happens, boys. As we set up over here chasing another deer named Mac 1, a big, heavy 10-point. As soon as the storm moved in, the buck started to move. It's just not the one we were looking for. You can't kill big bucks staying at home. You need to spend time in the blind. And it's always a pleasure to see these young and upcoming bucks. And after 13 days of sitting, today was the day. We meet a legend.
All right, going in again. An evening sit. See what happens. Chasing a monster named Nightcrawler. Boom, baby.
You never know when the day is going to be the day. As you walk to set up and spend a whole day in the stand, sitting hour after hour. And then when you least expect it, it just happens so fast. That afternoon, after sitting for a couple of hours, and 20 minutes before dark, I spotted a buck chasing a doe. And when I looked at him, he looked like Nightcrawler. And your heart starts rushing. All those trail cam pictures, and years, it all comes down to this moment. That final minute seems like an eternity. As I was there waiting, my heart was pumping. Looking at this doe, looking back and waiting for him to come out. It all played in slow motion. And then, just like that, it was all over.
I think I just shot Nightcrawler. I didn't have a chance to set up. As soon as I got in, he came in chasing a doe. Let's see what happens. Boom, baby.
Everything happens so fast. And that anticipation, walking up to your target deer, is a bittersweet ending.
It's all right, guys. Very hard. It's been a crazy season. Very crazy. And November to remember. But look at this, baby. Look at this. Look at this. An absolute giant. So grateful. What a crazy year. Crazy season. Boom, baby. Always keep pushing forward no matter what.
It's very important to give back thanks for this deer giving his life. And we're truly blessed to having the opportunity to hunt a Saskatchewan giant like this. Being able to hunt is truly a blessing. And Saskatchewan produces monsters year after year. What a legend. As one chase ends and another one begins, until we'll do it again next year. Chasing monsters. God bless. backing out. Now you're backing out. It's hard to talk big with a shotgun in your mouth. Shotgun in your mouth. I'm glad you brought your friends. They can watch it go down. Watch it go down. I got mine too. So welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. 'Cause these are my people, and this is my land. This is my land. And this is what we pray for, and this is God's plan. This is God's plan. And if you ain't from here, then you won't understand. You won't understand. This is my country. This is who I am. This is who I am. So welcome to my house.